Another form is called theme and variation. The form called theme and variations was widely used in the classical period, either as an independent piece or as a movement of a symphony, sonata, or string quartet. In a theme and variations, a basic musical idea, the theme, is repeated over and over and is changed each time. This form may be outlined A, with the theme being A, and then variation 1 is A prime, variation 2 is A double prime, and variation 3 would be A triple prime, and so on and so forth. Each prime mark indicates a variation of the basic idea. Each variation, though usually about the same length as the theme, is unique and may differ in mood and theme. Changes in melody, harmony, accompaniment, dynamics, and tone color may be used to give a variation its own identity. The core melody may appear in the bass, or it may be repeated in a minor key instead of the major key. It may be heard together with a new melody. The variations may be connected to each other or separated by pauses. For the theme itself, the composer may invent an original melody or borrow someone else's. Beethoven once borrowed a little waltz tune and put it through 33 variations. More modest examples of theme and variation have as few as 3 variations. Okay, so we're going to listen to Symphony number 94, the Surprise Symphony in 1791 by Franz Joseph Haydn. This is the second movement called Andante, and Andante is a tempo marking, and it means moderately slow, not too slow but not too fast, somewhere in the middle. So the second movement is in theme and variation form. The theme of the movement is folk-like, and it's mostly staccato or short notes. It goes dee 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 up 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 up. Then it repeats that again. And the theme is actually in two-part binary form. So you have an A part and you have a B part. All right. So what's going to happen is at the end of A, they're going to punctuate it with a great big chord, and then they'll start the B part. And that big chord is a surprise. That's how it got its nickname, the Surprise Symphony. Then after the theme is over, it's going to be followed by 4 variations. Okay, the first variation will start, you'll hear a big noise off. And it uses the original melody and it uses some counter melodies with it. That means we got the original melody cooking along and some other melody cooking along with it. And so the texture becomes polyphonic, more than one voice. In variation 2, the theme is presented in a minor rather than major key. And the last variation is followed by a closing section. So see if you can keep track of the 4 variations.